Hey everyone, it's Fiktxun Crypto back at it again with another video. Today we are going to be going over the first stock exchange on the XRP ledger. I mean, you can literally trade Tesla stock for XRP and potentially other XRPL projects. Now, this is a project that's well established on the XRP ledger, and it is a gift that keeps on giving. So let's get straight into this. If you're not following us already on Twitter or on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on those notification bells for YouTube. Follow us on Twitter. We do giveaways, and what I am going to be doing for my time on Twitter and YouTube until I get rich and I can disappear, we're going to be giving away various cryptocurrencies, digital assets, NFTs, you name it. This is something I'm going to be doing out of my pocket to just spread some happiness in the community, spread some happiness for people that have been following me and that are going to be following us. So yeah, give us a follow on Twitter at Fiktxun Crypto. And if you like NFT gamings, you want to keep up with the latest games on the XRP ledger, that is going to give you an opportunity to maximize some of your profits by either trading them or playing them to win more crypto. Give us a follow at Fiktxun Gaming right here. You can type in Fiktxun Crypto Gaming, but we will have these links in our description. Don't worry, we try to make everything easier over here. First, we want to start out by introducing the actual project that we are going to be covering today. And as you all know it, if you've been in this community, you've been following my channel, we've been covering them since October of last year, November of last year, when it went on a crazy run up to $6.21, literally from 5 cents. We were a part of that. That's how I started my journey off. Kind of messed up that trade horrendously, but we are still here. Sologenic, give them a follow on Twitter. 169,000 followers. I mean, this is by far one of the biggest projects on the XRP ledger. One of my favorite projects, and a project that I do hold some. It's in my top 10 for holdings. Shout out to Black Mamba right here. Let's read this tweet from him. It says, check out the simulator for trading stocks and ETFs on Sologenic. It will be ready once they get their license. You can make a test account with no real money to practice. Man, let's look at this. Let's look at this. This is really, really crazy. See, there's Tesla right there. We're going to show you a live demo of how to kind of utilize it and where you need to go to sign up for it. But, shout out to Black Mamba right there. So we found this website that is named securities.io, which is kind of fascinating. It says the top 12 low cap market altcoins to watch for August of 2022. It's August of 2022. And they list a couple of different coins, a couple of different networks. IO's network, Energy Web Token. I know a lot of people know about that one. Aeon, Frontier. That sounds like the airline. High Five Finance, Ribbon Finance, Rev. Yeah, I know about Rev Token right there. Really cool. This is really cool. Everybody, check that out. No, not financial advice. Sologenic, Circuits of Value, DIA, Opulus or Opulus. You know about them. Victoria VR. And let's read about this real quick about Sologenic. Up next, we have Sologenic, which is a project that aims to disrupt the asset trading industry with tokenized securities, crypto assets, and non-fungible tokens, otherwise known as NFTs. There are actually two separate teams, one being sologenic.com and the other being sologenic.org. The sologenic.org or Solo Core team, as it's also known, focuses on the expansion of the Sologenic ecosystem as a decentralized platform, a decentralized ecosystem. Sologenic.com, on the other hand, is working on the launch of security tokenization, in which one of the project most important use cases, well, which is one of the most important use cases of this project. To learn more about our investing in Sologenic guide, click right there. They have these keywords like highlighted, tokenized securities. I guess so you can learn a little bit more if you want to. Now let's get into this platform. I know this is what you all have been waiting for. This blew my mind. It's just so beautiful. So you do have to create an account. I recommend not using a email that you know, this your personal daily email because we're still in an unregulated space. Not saying that Sologenic isn't safe, but I'm just, that's what I do. I don't use my main email accounts for these types of things. Um, Once you do log in, they're going to send you an email to that email address that gives you like a code or something like that. It's like 6 digits. Then you type that code in after they ask you for it, and you are going to be met by this screen. So let's read it. Welcome to the Sologenic Asset Tokenization Platform. You are all set. We have your test funds simulator account with some funds. You got one BTC, got 20,000 XRP, 20,000 USD, US dollars, and you have 50,000 solos. So automatically you're loaded up with over $100,000 right now, which is pretty cool. This is going to be really fun learning how to utilize this platform. Now let's break this platform down a little bit and go into some details. Right here, you will be able to browse which exchange you want. It's a bunch of different exchanges that allow you to trade these securities on the stock market, commodities, ETFs, all those types of things. Starting off right here on the main page, after you click that OK button, you can search for your stocks, your ETFs, and etc. So I'm gonna actually see if they got gold. They got Goldman Sachs. So no metals right now, but if we want to find Tesla, boom, we have Tesla stock available to purchase. And the buy price is $862. The sell price is $862.21. Also, you can filter out which exchange you want to buy from. Plenty of exchanges, maybe some room for arbitrage if you have something that can read all the prices from these different exchanges, at the same time, like a little bot. You can filter out the region. Where do you want to trade in, which is really cool. Also, you can figure out or filter out what types of assets do you want to trade against potentially. Right here, you can filter out your assets to have all types of assets or just stocks right here. Then, filter open, display open exchange only. This is going to allow only the exchanges that are open at the current time to show on your screen, which is really cool. So if we click on Tesla like I did, it brings up something right here. It says pool contribution summary and the ask pool. So this is the buy pool, this is the ask pool. And we'll get into that in just a little bit because pool ordering is something new to the Sologenic market. It's something new to me as well. So right here, you see we have a trading view chart similar to what we see on the regular Sologenic decks. And it just shows you the history of Tesla. If you want to add your indicators on here, you can, like EMAs and all that good stuff. He got moving averages. This is where you can go to literally trade. This is going to be groundbreaking, life changing because it's tokenizing assets. The thing about Sologenic is that it is going to be a on-demand tokenization asset platform. On demand means these assets are going to be here whenever you need them, unless you're putting in like a limit order or something like that, or being in one of these pools. But we don't have the amount of volume of people to be trading in these pools. So these pools potentially may be getting filled up all the time. Continuing on before we get over to those pools again, you got the financial news that will be here eventually. It's here right now. Wow, this is crazy. Tells you the valuation, price history, balance sheet. Oh my goodness, this is wild. Sologenic, you have outdone yourself. News coming soon for this Sologenic exchange. And I know this video got cut off pretty quickly, but I was being kind of lazy the other day and I messed up so much recording this video of trying to display a demo of this platform. that I end up deleting most of the video, and I only saved that portion of this video. So I did write a bunch of things down for you all about this platform. We can get into that because I know people are probably interested in the pools. So with pool ordering is basically buying an asset with other people. You can now on this Sologenic trading platform, when it is launched fully, you will be able to buy a portion of a stock. Right now, that I know on this by using this, I wish I would have kept this footage. You can only buy one full stock by yourself if you're just purchasing it simply by yourself. But if you want a fractionalized piece of a stock, meaning if you wanted Tesla and Tesla was going for the price on the screen right now, $426, which I still wish it was because it's been a perfect buy, been up 100% by now. Say for instance, you didn't have the money and you had a couple of friends and you had a third of that, like what, $130 or something like that. You would be able to simply use that $130. Essentially, what you will be able to do with that is pool your money together with other people from around the world. You will be able to buy a percentage or a portion of a stock as soon as that pool gets filled up. This is very, very revolutionary when it comes to trading assets. And then once that pool is filled, that asset is going to be going into your Sologenic wallet immediately. You know how fast the XRP ledger settles. You know how good the Solo technology is, and what they're doing. This UI, man, it's just really good looking to me. I use the platform myself. It seems like they have disabled the feature for everyone to be able to come on this and trade and practice trading. Now you have to get invited for this. So I did have some very exclusive footage. I mean, at least I was able to salvage this, and everybody be looking forward to this. I really apologize for not having all my footage. I learned a really valuable lesson today. Stop being lazy, and sometimes you got to just go ahead and edit a 35-minute video. You got to trim it down, and I mean, hey, let's get into this chart though. We can look at the price of Sologenic. So I had to switch over to the XRP chart. Now let's look at this from a weekly point of view. I did say on my last trade, somewhere around here, that we will be dipping, and we got that little doji print that we've been looking for. What I believe is that we are going to continue to dip on this XRP price versus this XRP price. So let's break it down to the 3-day. We are approaching this level, which to me is kind of significant. Once you have a breakout level like this is a sign to me that we may be returning to this price. Now, to me, what I believe is if we are able to be stable between these two prices right here, which is that is a steep drop. Let me adjust this price a little bit. Uh, Either we are going to be looking to continue to go down into the zone, or we are going to get some type of stability right here and reverse this trend. I mean, me personally, like I said, it's just too much stuff going on in the market right now for me to be confident in any of crypto. We are in a tough spot. I mean, the SEC is not making it any easier for anybody. They're not helping out the market as a whole, giving us no type of regulation in the United States. We know Tether is still a part of the whole market and hasn't been dealt with yet. And I mean, it's like it's just a whole lot of stuff going on. But you know what you are buying these assets for. These are assets that can potentially change your life in the up and coming future. So everybody dollar cost average. I'm not going to be really doing some unrealistic prices because I know we are dealing with a market that has no rules right now. So hey man, this is Fiktxun Crypto. Everybody follow us on Twitter. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. hopefully we can salvage some more of that footage. It's been a good one.